As explorers, we've scoured the earth in search of the best natural wellness solutions. When something effective and healthy grows, we find it. As experts in herbs, we study how they work in the body. When we discover what makes them work best, we formulate. As purists, we know that natural products must be handled meticulously. When we produce, package, and test for quality, we guarantee. As healers, we connect with those looking for the best version of themselves. When we share what we have, we become family.